Have you ever pondered the impact of skill development on your personal growth and career trajectory? In the dynamic world we live in, the acquisition of new skills is not just a luxury, but a necessity. Skill development is the bridge that connects knowledge to application, theory to practice. It's about expanding your horizons, keeping pace with the evolving industry trends, and becoming a more competent and confident individual. Whether it's mastering a new software, learning a foreign language, or understanding the nuances of project management, every new skill you acquire adds a feather to your cap. It empowers you, makes you more employable, and opens doors to a plethora of opportunities. And the beauty of it all? There's no end to learning. Every day presents a chance to learn something new, to get one step closer to your goals. And one such golden opportunity is the Navttc Batch 5 registration for 2024. Under the Prime Minister Youth Skill Development Program, Navttc Batch 5 aims to empower individuals with essential skills. Administered by the National Vocational and Technical Training Commission, this program is a cornerstone of the government's commitment to youth empowerment and economic growth. So, why should you consider joining Navttc Batch 5? Well, for starters, it offers a diverse range of skill development programs. Whether you're interested in IT, healthcare, or vocational skills, there's a program tailored for you. In addition to enhancing your skills, you'll receive industry-relevant training. The modules are crafted to meet industry standards, ensuring that you'll gain hands-on experience and knowledge that directly apply to the workplace. This makes graduates of Navttc programs highly sought after by employers. But it doesn't stop there. As part of the Prime Minister Youth Skill Development Program, you might also be eligible for financial support. This aims to alleviate the financial burden often associated with skill development initiatives, making it more accessible to a wider audience. So, how can you be a part of this transformative journey? Let's dive into the registration process. Registering for Navttc Batch 5 is a simple online process. This process is designed to be user-friendly and straightforward, allowing you to secure your spot in the program with relative ease. Let's break this down into manageable steps. Your journey starts at SarkariJobsWork.online. This website serves as your gateway to the wealth of programs offered under Navttc Batch 5. Take your time to explore these programs. Each one is unique and tailored to cater to various interests and career aspirations. Once you've identified the program that speaks to your goals, it's time to create your account. This account will be your personal portal for all things related to Navttc Batch 5. Simply click on the registration link and fill in the required details. Remember, the more accurate the information, the smoother your application process will be. Now that your account is set up, you're ready to fill out the Navttc Batch 5 application form. This form is your opportunity to provide necessary information about yourself, your educational background, and your career goals. Take your time to fill it out, ensuring that each detail is accurate and up to date. Next, you'll need to upload your documents. These include your educational certificates and any other documents specified in the application form. Make sure these documents are clear and legible, as they play a crucial role in your application review. Finally, it's time to submit your application. Take a moment to review everything one last time, ensuring that all information is correct. Once you're satisfied, hit that submit button. You will receive a confirmation email acknowledging your successful application, and that's it. You've successfully applied for Navttc Batch 5. This is your first step towards skill excellence, towards a brighter, more empowered future. So gear up, because the journey of a lifetime awaits you. Navttc Batch 5. Registration 2024 is more than just an application process. It's a launchpad, propelling you towards a future filled with opportunities, growth, and accomplishment. It's an invitation to join a community of skilled professionals, carving out their path in a rapidly evolving world. By aligning with this program, you're not just investing in a course, you're investing in yourself, your dreams, and your future. It's a chance to acquire industry-relevant skills, to secure financial support, and to elevate your career aspirations. It's about enhancing your abilities and broadening your horizons. It's about seizing the chance to contribute to the economic growth of our nation by becoming a part of the skilled workforce that drives it forward. So don't let this opportunity slip away. Embrace the chance to become a more skilled, more empowered version of yourself. Remember, the journey to skill development and career success begins with a single step. Make that step today with Navttc Batch 5 Registration 2024.